Hi guys, welcome back. And today is another day. We are going to be talking about EURUSD. We are also going to trade EURUSD. But before we do that, I just want to analyze it. I want to show you why I'm trading EURUSD based on the fundamental and the technical analysis. All right. Then you see the beauty of fundamental analysis. So hope you get on with me. So now, the first thing I'm going to check is to check the general direction. All right. Though during September, the stocks and equities are always bullish. All right. That is why we see this move. So even if we are on from this breaker block here, from the technical standpoint, you will have known that, okay, we are going to be bullish. All right. But from where we are right now, there needs to be a retracement. All right. We are looking forward to a retracement. A lot of people don't know where to enter. A lot of people are looking for a breaker block around here. It's good to look for a breaker block around here, but if you can enter here, it's okay. All right, it's fine. All right, it's give you more pips. So let's do the analysis. The first thing I'm going to check is to check the general sentiment. Where is EURUSD going to go? All right, from this standpoint, that's the first thing I'm going to check. So I'm going to put up the value line for it. All right, this is the value line. All right, this shows us that during the phase here, the value line has been bearish, which means at some point we are going to be bearish. Though we don't know the point from this, but this just tells us the overall direction. I'm going to show you other things that show us the point. All right, so let's just move on. But with this, we know that there's going to be a retracement. That is what we need to prove here. There's going to be a retracement, and it's going to be a deep one. All right. So that is the thing that we need to prove here. So let's go to other one. All right, so now moving on, we are going to check the carry trade. Checking the carry trade, we need to also check this. All right, we need to check this, which is the carry trade. Give me a second. All right, so we need to check the carry trade. You can see that the carry trade is very bearish. Look at this drop here. Now we are going to trade this from here. All right, we are going to trade it from here. So let's go to the pension fund. The pension fund is very, very bearish. All right, then let's check the triangle. The triangle is not that good. All right, it's not that good, but very soon it's going to be good. All right, then let's check the risk here. The risk says down, go short. You don't wait. All right, you don't wait for it to take out this high. It's gonna go down. All right, it's gonna go down. You don't need to wait for a breaker block, so it's gonna go down. Then we need to also check the market value line. So with this, you could see that everything is pointing down. Now, why are you not going to sell? All right, why are you not going to sell? You're just going to sell. All right, that's the best thing you can do. All right, though if you look at it from the technical standpoint, you will notice that we don't have a breaker block yet. All right, but it doesn't mean, all right, it doesn't mean you don't need to wait for it. All right, you can actually trade this and make your money from it. All right, and so let's go to this. All right, so what we are going to do now is we are going to make an entry here. We can also wait, though it's the middle of the night, as you can see the time. So this is midnight, all right, GMT. So if we are going to make an entry, it might be an entry. We might have some retracement to up here, and we might not have it, all right. But since our analysis is valid, so we believe it's going to go down. So if it actually goes up a little bit, it's going to give us another chance to re-enter again. But we are going to place the first entry here. So our stop loss is going to be something like 40 pips. Our take profit will be something like 120 pips. All right. So that will be easy 1, 2, 3. All right. So it depends. All right. If I could see a nice move up, I can actually multiply it easily. But right now, this is very, very good. So I'm going to place my first entry around here, and let's see how far it can go. All right. So I'm going to show you once the price is moving, once everything starts, reacting, I'm going to show you. But, there might still be a little bit retracement. So I've sent this to every group, all right? So watch out for the group and, If you are seeing this, you can also make your entry. All right, let's see how it does go out. All right, we'll be back. So now, looking at this now, we've made some progress. As you can see, the time right now is 7 a.m. GMT, and when we're doing the analysis, the time was around 1200, like 2400. That's midnight. But right now the time is 7, so we are in London session right now. So that's why you see the price moving to the Asian high, and it's around here. So my first entry was here. Then I put my second entry, which is 1, and I have a sell limit here. I can also put it above this high, which will really make sense. If I put it above this high because of the liquidity. So if I put it above this high because of the liquidity, it's going to make sense more. Now, I can also leave it here. My stop loss is going to be above this high. All right, definitely. So let me just put it here. All right. So my stop loss is going to be above this high if you are worried about it. So I know it's not going to take out this high. I'm very sure, 100%. All right. Let me just let me say 99%. Okay. So because we cannot be certain 100% every time, but at least with this analysis, I'm very, very sure. So 99% that is going to play out, is going to sell. So though you can see that the price moved down a little bit and it's moving up, all right. I don't feel really concerned, all right. So I know it's going to work out, all right. I'm very sure it's going to work out. So let's say it works out. Where are we going to take our profits? We have some liquidity gap here, all right. We have some liquidity pool here, and we have some gap here too, all right. So I believe the price is going to take out all this and this, taking out yesterday's low. I believe it's going to take out yesterday's low. So even if you don't know where you are going to take your profits, you can actually take your profits below this low, all right. So as long as the price does not take out this high, it means it's going to take out this low. That is what it means, all right. So unless you take out this high, which I don't think it's going to do, all right. So as long as it's not taking out this high, so the place that makes sense for us to take is this particular low. And also we can also take some profits here, all right. If we want, we can take some profits here, which will also make sense, if you want to take some profit here. But taking partials really makes sense below this Monday's low, all right. So there is possibility that the price might also come down into this area here, because this area have not been tested. It's a 4-hour order block and it has not been tested, so it's still a void. And let's just see how everything plays out. Let's see how everything plays out. So I'm going to come back again and show you how it's going. But right now, look at where the price is still moving. So let's see how everything plays out. Don't worry, everything will be nice, all right? Till I take profit, okay? All right. So I'm going to stop for now. All right. Good. So that's happened here because of the news, CPI news. All right. So it's very, very interesting. Before I started this trade during the midnight, I told you guys that it's a very high probability trade because of the reasons that I gave earlier. So because of the reasons I gave earlier, I said it's a high probability trade, and I made my entry here. My first entry was here. My second entry was here. Then I put another sell limit here. So I knew it's going to work out. All right, I knew it. Then I put my stop loss here. You guys all saw it. Put my stop loss here. Then the price was going all the way up during the London session. It was going all the way up, making everybody nervous, like it's going to take out the EU. And I said to you guys earlier, it's not going to take it out. I'm very sure it's not going to take it out. All right. Though if you look at it, it's very frightening. But once you know what you are doing, that's one thing about Forex. All right. Sometimes you might be scared of your strategy. All right. And you might exit early if you just believe in yourself, believe in your strategy, as long as you've backtested, you've worked it out, and you know it's already working for you, just believe in it. Make sure you practice and use good money management. Once you do that, you're not going to be afraid to get out before it starts. All right. A lot of people were out, but for me, that I know what I'm doing, I know it's not going to take it out. That's why I put my SL here. And look at it, almost. All right, but it's never going to take it out. All right, it's never going to take it out. And look at how it sold. So this is a nice sell, having over from here to here is over 120 pips, which is what we actually predicted. And again, we said since the price is not going to be taking out this area, it's going to take out this low. And look at it, that's already taking it out. So even I can take my profits here. I'm going to take my profits here. So let me just take out some profits. So I'm going to take out some profits here in front of you. So I'm going to take out another one here. All right. So I might leave this one and I might just later take one of these. So I'm still expecting the price to actually get here, but anything here is just bonus. Since it has taken out this low, which is what we are anticipating for. So everything here is bonus. All right, it's bonus. So guys, I'll just continue with the trade. I just want you guys to see how everything works out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you guys later. All right, bye for now.